Okay, today we're taking out this electric hot water heater and putting in a hybrid air source water heater in its place. So we're pumping the water out now, air into the sump pit. So this is the before picture, and then this is a little bit thermostatic mixing valve is not plumbed right, so I'll fix that also while we're doing this. Okay, now we got the hot water out, tank, old one out, and the hybrid's in its place. We just gotta plumb it together and then rework the thermostatic mixing valve. Okay, so now we got the hybrid water heater in, set to 120, and it's running in efficiency mode, which does only heat pump only. But if you want quicker, you can run a hybrid. It'll turn on an element to bring it up quicker. But for efficiency, we're running on hybrid, so it'll only run with the heat pump. And then over here is where so it's cold air coming out, and then on top is where it pulls the air in. And then our next project is going to be removing this oil furnace and putting in geothermal.